Oh, well, good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. The weekend went by way too fast. But it's Monday, and Monday don't care, so let's get to it. Hey, Loki. You ready to eat, buddy? Have a seat. Sit. Good boy. All right. Good boy. You may eat. Go ahead. Eat. You can eat. That's it. That's it. Just eggshells. You can't eat. Fermented onions. And eggshells and scrambled eggs. All right. Coffee break. And let's go. Let's let the chickens out and let's get them. Hello, my lovelies. Let's get y'all some food.
What exactly do you think you're doing?
Alright. Alright, look. Ah! Attack of the ducks! Alright, let me get y'all's feeder. Oh, hang on. I promise.
Y'all just ate. I've been stuck.
That's it. So, we will holler at y'all. Remember, kindness goes a long ways. And live life to the fullest. Take your time. Smell the roses. Or the chickens, in this case. Smell the chickens. And be a duck. Well, y'all take it easy. Happy Monday, and we'll catch y'all later. Bye.